Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's class we are going to learn about requirements of structural design and good decorative design. Okay, so in good structural design, the key elements, the key requirements ensure both aesthetic appeal and functional integrity for structural design. And the main key elements are conceptual clarity, proportion and balance, construction techniques, fabric choices, attention to the details and its functionality, innovation and creativity, contextual relevance, versatility and adaptability, artistic expression. So these are the key points for a good structural designs. So in conceptual clarity, when your created design, it should be clear and perceived concept to inform the main structural design or structural elements it has. So it's mostly whether it's inspired by architecture or nature or a specific theme we are going to design, it should be, the concept should be evident for the form of silhouette of the garment. So it will, we have to give the garment in a clarity, conceptual clarity. So next is proportion and balance. So the proportion of the garment should be well balanced and harmonious. When we are going to design a garment, the garment's top and bottom should equally harmonious and equally proportioned, so that we can so that it will represent an aesthetic and harmonious way or a graceful way. So the proportion of the garment should be well balanced and harmonious. It includes the relationship between the different elements such as sleeves, bodies, waistline and skirt, ensuring they complement each other and create a visually pleasing effect. So next is the construction techniques. So utilize the advanced and innovative construction technique is very crucial. So if it also includes the precise pattern making, draping like and pleating, or a use of supportive materials like boning or interfacing to achieve the desired shape what we are going to make the garment as. So next is the fabric choice. Choosing a fabric is very important to create a garment which we decide to make. If we select a stiff material or cotton material for a party or evening gown, it will not give the pleasing effect to the eyes. So when we are using satin or velvet garments to create a party wear or a cocktail wear, it will please to the eyes. It will give the graceful outlook for the occasion or the garment. So the choice of fabrics plays a significant role in structural design. So fabric also appropriate weight, stiffness or drapeability to select to support the desired silhouette or ensure the garment maintains its shape. What we design, the shape is. Next, the attention to the details. So meticulous attention to the detail is essential in structural design. Okay, so it includes the precise stitching, finishing and seam construction to ensure its durability, comfort and polished appearance. So when we are having attention to the details, what we are going to, like for example, if we are creating a corset blouse, we have to ensure that boning is in the right place so that it holds the shape what we are going to create, and the stitching also in proper detail so that it will gives the proper effect. So next one is functionality, which while enriching a form of aesthetics, the design should also consider practically and comfort structural and should not hinder the movements of wear or a wearability. If you are if we wear a tight fitting dresses, it will hold our movements. The way of wearability is stiffness. So if I wear a tight shirt or a tight blouse and I can't even move freely when I am doing some work. So the functionality of the design or fabric is important. And next one is innovation and creativity. Structural design often pushes the boundaries and explore the new forms and materials and techniques and innovating within the constraint of traditional garment construction and lead it to the unique and groundbreaking designs. And contextual relevance, the design should resonate with the context, whether it's everyday wear or a culture fashion or avant-garde experimentation or designer's artistic vision and